Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Karina. Today I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to outline and flood cookies. Don't forget to subscribe to Cookies by Karina for cookie recipes, decorating ideas, tips, and tricks. After you've cut out your cookies and let them cool off, and also have your royal icing ready, my absolute favorite is the decorating. I like to use piping bags anytime I'm going to decorate my cookies. So this is called the outline to flood technique, where you outline your cookie first. This prevents from having any icing outside the lines. Then you fill in the rest of your cookie with the royal icing. After you've finished filling in the rest of your cookie, I like to give my cookie a little shake. This helps prevent any air bubbles. Then you use your scribe to fill any bubbles you have missed. Then you let your cookies air dry before moving them from place. Thank you for watching my channel, and don't forget to subscribe for more of my cookie idea and techniques. Have a great day and have fun decorating.